Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hershey Cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 1 box of chocolate cake mix, any kind you like, and everything it calls for on the back of the box. Mine is 1 1/4 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. And then I'm not sure if we're going to need both of these frostings, but we have 2 tubs of chocolate frosting, Hershey Kisses, and a pack of Hershey chocolate bars, 6 of the full-size bars. Today is Taste Tester's birthday, and he wants a chocolate Hershey bar cake, so that's what we're going to do. That's all we need for the ingredients, and then you're going to need 2 cake pans. So let's go ahead and get started. Just preheat your oven per the back of the box and spray your 2 cake pans generously with cooking spray. Alright, next we are just going to add all of our cake mix ingredients to a bowl and mix that with an electric mixer on medium for 2 minutes. Alright, my cake mix is all combined, so I am going to go ahead and pour that evenly into my 2 prepared pans. Alright, my cake is divided evenly between my 2 pans, as even as I could get it. So now we are going to cook that in our oven according to the back of our box. So mine is at 350 for 30 minutes. Alright, my cakes are out of the oven and they have completely cooled. So I'm going to invert one onto my serving plate. And then I'm just going to melt some of my frosting in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Alright, my first cake is completely frosted, and you can see I went along the edges there because that's where our Hershey bars are going to stick. So next I am going to invert my other cake on top of this one. Alright, both of my cakes have been iced. I did use a little bit out of the second can, but I did get the whipped icing, which I did not mean to do, so I don't know if you could get away with 1 can. So next you need to unwrap your Hershey Kisses, which I've got little taste tester here on the job. Happy birthday, Taste Tester.
Thanks.
And then we're going to open up the Hershey Kisses and the Hershey bars and break them in half. Alright, our cake is complete. We just put our Hershey bars all around the edges, and we had just enough with a full pack. And it just looks great. The frosting just acts like the glue. And then we put some Hershey Kisses on top. And then Taste Tester wanted a 9 on there because it's his 9th birthday. So I am so happy with the way this cake turned out. It is adorable. And we will see what Taste Tester thinks later. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That ain't enough for Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy birthday!